guys, it's Brian here with the SoCo Customs YouTube channel, here with our latest build. Pretty cool story behind this truck. This was actually custom ordered, so we were keeping up with it, with the tracking numbers. It was like the coolest UPS package you were about to get just in time. A little bit late for Christmas, actually. But it was dropped off at the dealership. We picked it up from there. The owner hadn't even driven the truck by the time we got our hands on it. So what we did was we started off with the Fab Fours Bumpers. This is the Fab Fours Vengeance. We then put 4 cube lights in there, angled these fog lights out to get a better field of vision, and then went with the 20-inch light bar right down the center. Now, we do have an unboxing of both of those. Please check the card up in the top of the screen, and we'll move a little bit further back here. This bumper really goes well because we did the pocket style flares with the rivets, so it does kind of match up flush right there. As you can see, the truck's a little bit dirty. It has been used. It's a Colorado truck, as you can tell by the hardware that we put on it. We went up 3.5 inches on the rough country blocks and keys lift. So we will also have a video about torsion key lifts. You can click that card up in the top screen. As we go on back here, we went with the 285/75 R18. We went with the Goodyear Duratrax, as those are the ones that come on this package from the factory. So we wanted to keep that sleeper look, keep some of that functionality, as a lot of people are very big fans of these tires. As we keep going further back, we did put mud flaps on here, so as we get into a little more of the aggressive off-roading, we're not stonewashing the back of this truck. And then out here in back, we went with Fab Fours Premium. This actually retains the factory parking sensors, which is a really cool option. Obviously, with a big truck like this, you don't want to be backing over stumps or anything like that. You've also got these steps, which a lot of people are big fans of with this current generation of Chevy trucks. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about any of these products, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're very good about getting those questions answered for you. I'm Brian with SoCo Customs. We'll see you later.